7.2 Architectural Basics Exam Questions. Elevation plans. View of each side of the house. Includes exterior material, window and door placements, roof pitch/slope, grade/ground line, steps, etc. Floor framing system. The primary way that horizontal loads are carried to the beams or columns also provide lateral support for walls. Insulation. Material used to restrict the flow of heat or sound from one surface to another. Plot plan. Shows the location of the house on the site, utilities, topography, site dimensions, and any other building located on the property. Siding. Material, such as boards or shingles, used for surfacing the outside walls of a frame building. Other examples include plywood, hardboard, plastic, vinyl, stucco, brick, or stone. Valley and roof. When a building footprint is not rectangular, two roofs often come together to form a valley. Heating and cooling systems. Refers to any system or mechanical device that provides either heating or cooling for a home. Furnace, boilers, radiators, air conditioners, and central air. Underlayment. A material laid between a subfloor and finish floor, or between sheathing and roof shingles. Stud. The vertical framing member in frame wall construction. Header. A horizontal structural member used to support other structural members over openings, such as doors and windows. Load-bearing wall. Wall that carries a load other than its own weight. Weight of the roof. Top plate. A horizontal structural member located on top of the studs used to hold the wall together. Perimeter. The border or outer boundary of a two-dimensional figure. Electrical system. Refers to wiring between light fixtures and switches, circuit loads, electrical devices, and equipment. Plumbing system. Refers to pipes and fixtures that use water and/or septic within a home. Roof truss. An assembly of structural members joined to form a rigid framework, usually connected to form triangles. Floor plan. Exterior and interior walls, doors, windows, patios, walks, decks, fireplaces, stairs, mechanical equipment, built-in cabinets, and appliances. Shows the exact location of these and is done to scale. Architectural scale. A specialized ruler designed for drafting and measuring architectural drawings, such as floor plans. An architect's scale features multiple units of length and proportional length increments. WC water closet. A water closet is another name for the toilet. Sheathing. A covering placed over exterior studs or rafters that serve as a base below the exterior finish materials. And sill. A horizontal wood member placed at the bottom of walls and openings in walls. Scale drawing. A drawing that shows a real object with accurate sizes except they have all been reduced or enlarged by a certain amount, called the scale. Construction details. Show specific sections or areas of a building that require more specific data, such as stair measurements, chimney and fireplace construction, and wall sections. Working triangle. The working triangle is the distance between the most common three work spaces in a kitchen: the stove, refrigerator and sink. Foundation. Part of the structural system that transfers the load of a building to an area of the ground. Lavatory. Refers to a sink or receptacle that is connected to water. Area. The extent of a two-dimensional surface enclosed within a specified boundary or geometric figure. Vapor barrier house wrap. Engineered materials designed to keep out liquid water and prevent air infiltration while allowing water vapor to escape from inside the home. Electrical plan. Shows the exact location of outlets/receptacles, switches, cable, telephone, and other electronic jacks, where the service panel is located, and all data required to show where each wire runs and connects to the main electrical panel. Floor joists. Joists are horizontal structural members used to carry the floor and ceiling loads. Foundation plan. Shows the foundation size, materials, excavation information, waterproofing, and supporting structures. Fixture. Something that is fixed or attached, as to a building, as a permanent appendage or as a structural part, i.e., a plumbing fixture. Presentation drawing. Shows the floor plan, elevations, and sometimes plot plan in color with minimal dimensions. The presentation drawing is intended to portray the big idea to the client. Sometimes it may include interior views, 3D renderings, and even models. Sole plate, sill plate. A horizontal structural member located at the bottom, the studs used to hold the wall together. A sole plate also provides a surface for attaching the wall to its supporting structure. Non-load bearing wall. Wall that has no structural load is used to divide spaces. Residential construction. The process of building a structure that serves as a dwelling or a home in which a person lives. Asphalt shingles. Roof shingles made of asphalt saturated felt and covered with mineral granules. Mechanical plans. Individual or groupings of plans that include positioning of heating and ventilation systems and pipes and plumbing. Construction. The process of building a structure that can be used for many functions. Subfloor. The structural floor joined to the joist supports the finished flooring.